Hi kids, welcome back to Angel's Academy. Today we'll learn 150 fun words, starting with D and E. Let's go.
Today we'll explore 100 fun words that all begin with the letter D. Let's learn them by categories. It's going to be delightful. Things. Let's start with things we use or see every day. Repeat after me. Door. A door lets us enter or exit a room. Desk. A desk is where you sit and work. Drum. A drum is a musical instrument you play by tapping. Doll. A doll is a toy that looks like a person. Dice. Dice are small cubes used in games to roll numbers. Duster. A duster is used to clean dust from surfaces. Dart. A dart is a small pointed object used in a game. Dish. A dish is a flat container used for food. Diary. A diary is a book where you write your thoughts. Drawer. A drawer is a small sliding storage space. Diamond. A diamond is a precious stone, often used in jewelry. Device. A device is a tool or machine used for a specific purpose. Dial. A dial is a round part on a phone or machine to select a number. Display. A display is a screen that shows information or images. Dustbin. A dustbin is a container used to throw away trash. Decoration. Decoration is something used to make a place look nice. Now some yummy fruits and vegetables that start with D. Say them with me. Date. A date is a sweet fruit from a palm tree. Dragon fruit. Dragon fruit is a colorful fruit with a sweet taste. Durian. Durian is a large fruit known for its strong smell. Dandelion. Dandelion is a flower that can be eaten as a vegetable. Delicious. Delicious means something tastes really good. Daikon. Daikon is a long white radish commonly used in salads. Dumpling. A dumpling is a small piece of dough filled with food. Dried. Dried means food that has been made dry to preserve it. Here come the animals. Repeat after me. Animals. Dog. A dog is a loyal pet that barks and loves to play. Donkey. A donkey is a strong animal often used for carrying loads. Duck. A duck is a bird that loves to swim in water. Dolphin. A dolphin is a smart sea mammal known for jumping. Deer. A deer is a graceful animal that lives in forests. Dodo. The dodo is an extinct bird that once lived on islands. Dragonfly. A dragonfly is an insect with long wings that flies fast. Duckling. A duckling is a baby duck. Dromedary. A dromedary is a type of camel with one hump. Dingo. A dingo is a wild dog found in Australia. Let's learn about some transportation words. Transport and places driver. A driver is a person who controls and drives a vehicle. Digger. A digger is a machine used to dig holes in the ground. Delivery. Delivery is when goods are brought to your house. Dune. A dune is a large hill of sand in deserts or beaches. Docks. Docks are places where ships are loaded and unloaded. Depot. A depot is a place where vehicles are stored or repaired. Drive. To drive means to operate a car or another vehicle. District. A district is a specific area in a city or country. Desert. A desert is a dry, sandy place with very little rain. Downtown. Downtown is the central part of a city where most businesses are. Driveway. A driveway is a path that leads to a house or garage. Dockyard. A dockyard is an area where ships are built or repaired. Now let's talk about people and jobs. People and jobs. Doctor. A doctor is a person who helps people feel better when they're sick. Driver. A driver is someone who operates a car, bus, or truck. Dentist. A dentist is a person who cares for teeth and gums. Dancer. A dancer is someone who moves to music with grace. Detective. A detective solves crimes and looks for clues. Designer. A designer creates plans for clothing, buildings, or products. Developer. A developer creates software or designs websites. Diplomat. A diplomat works to maintain peaceful relationships between countries. Director. A director is in charge of a film, show, or play. Driver. A driver is a person who operates a vehicle. Delivery. A delivery person brings packages and items to your home. Doctor. A doctor helps people stay healthy and treats illnesses. Here are some actions and feelings. Repeat after me. Feelings and actions. Doubt. Doubt means you're not sure about something. Delight. Delight is a feeling of great happiness or joy. Disgust. Disgust is a strong feeling of dislike or repulsion. Dizzy. Dizzy means feeling lightheaded and like you might fall. Dance. To dance is to move your body to music. Dream. A dream is something you imagine while sleeping. Discuss. To discuss is to talk about something with others. Dare. To dare means to be brave enough to do something challenging. Discover. To discover is to find something new or unknown. Defend. To defend means to protect something or someone from harm. Drive. To drive is to control and move a car. Dig. To dig means to break the ground with a shovel. Deliver. To deliver means to bring something to a person or place. Decide. To decide means to make a choice after thinking about something. And now a mix of useful and interesting words. Let's say them together. Other useful words. Dog. A dog is a loyal animal that can be a pet. Dance. Dance is moving your body to music or rhythm. Door. A door is a movable barrier used to open and close entrances. Desk. A desk is a table used for working or studying. Drum. A drum is a musical instrument that makes sound when hit. Dice. Dice are small cubes with numbers used in games. Duster. A duster is used for cleaning dust from surfaces. Dart. A dart is a pointed object used in a throwing game. Dish. A dish is a container used to serve food. Diary. A diary is a book where you write about your day. Drawer. A drawer is a sliding storage container in furniture. Diamond. A diamond is a precious gem used in jewelry. Device. A device is a tool or machine used for a specific purpose. Dial. A dial is a rotating part of a machine or phone. Display. A display is a screen that shows information or images. Dustbin. A dustbin is a container for trash or waste. Decoration. A decoration is something used to make a place look nicer. Dinosaur. A dinosaur is an ancient reptile that lived millions of years ago. Delicious. Delicious means something tastes really good. Drive. Drive means to control a car or vehicle on a road. District. A district is a specific area within a city or town. Desert. A desert is a dry, sandy place with very little rain. Dirt. Dirt is soil or earth, often messy and used in gardens. Dream. A dream is something you imagine when you sleep. Duck. A duck is a bird that swims in water. Dare. To dare means to challenge yourself to do something brave. Danger. Danger means the possibility of harm or injury.
Now let's learn 50 amazing words with letter E. Animals. Let's start with animals that begin with E. Elephant. The largest land animal. Elephant. Eagle. A powerful bird of prey. Eagle. Eel. A long, slippery fish. Eel. Emu. A large, flightless bird. Emu. Elk. A deer with large antlers. Elk. Ermine. A small white weasel. Ermine. Echidna. A spiny egg-laying mammal. Echidna. Egret. A graceful wading bird. Egret. Earthworm. Helpful garden creatures. Earthworm. Earwig. A small garden insect. Earwig. Everyday objects. Egg. Envelope. Eraser. Engine. Easel. Earmuffs. Elbow. Eye. Ear. Egg cup. Emotions and feelings. Excited. Feeling enthusiastic. to something. Embarrassed, feeling shy or awkward. Exhausted, very tired. Energetic, full of energy. Enthusiastic, very excited about something. Ecstatic, extremely happy. Envious, wanting what others have. Empathetic, understanding others' feelings. Elated, filled with joy. Food and eating. Eggplant, a purple vegetable. Eclair, a French pastry. Enchilada, a Mexican dish. Edamame, young soybeans. Endive, a leafy vegetable. Espresso, strong coffee. Escargot, cooked snails. Elderberry, small dark berries. Eggnog, a holiday beverage. English muffin, a breakfast bread. Action words. Eat, to consume food. Exercise, physical activity. Explore, to investigate. Examine, to look closely. Escape, to get away. Erase, to remove marks. Enter, to go inside. Exit, to go outside. Encourage, to support someone.